You don't need to quit your job to make money flipping product. I built a reselling business that makes money while you're at work, no matter what. And I'm going to show you in this video exactly how. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income stream. Let's get into the video. So a lot of people seem to think that they need more time. Now, I would be lying to you if I told you that I wasn't one of those people. I felt like time is one of those things that I gotta try and continue to hold on to. Now, if you work 8 hours a day, you still have enough time to be able to flip. Even if you're somebody that posts a product before you go to work and a product after, there's still time for you to flip. See, it's all about a system, and having that system in place and being able to execute in that system is what gets you that success. So that person out there, if that's you, that feels like, well, I'm working so much, I don't have time, that's not necessarily true. But I also want to paint this picture for you. If your job lets you go ahead and have time to work on yourself, do you think that your job would have you? Do you think that your job at some point is like, well, we want to keep you busy so you don't leave? I will give you the honest truth. The answer is yes, this does happen. And for you, I want you to remember to stay woke, stay in a position where you never can forget to work on yourself, just at least a little bit. Because falling into the trap of just working and thinking that the time you have is not at all able to be used to building your own products, your own business, your own substance, your own life, your own profit is a problem. Make sure, again, that you don't allow that mindset of I don't have enough time to creep in, because this is why a lot of people never get started. Now, if you're somebody that does not know what to sell, which a lot of us, when we first start, we don't know what to sell. And I'm one of them. I didn't know what to sell. I didn't know what to actually start to put online to actually get eyes placed on my products and me as well. So what do we do, right? What is the easiest thing to start with, low cost, and also something that people need? So again, I will always say chargers. So on Wesply.com, we have these charging bundles, and these right here cost around $10. You're able to sell these. These are Lightning to Type-C and USB to Type-C. USB to Lightning, excuse me. These cables are needs. People need these no matter if they need them today or tomorrow. This is going to service a need, which then gets eyes placed on your listings, which in return gets you money, because people are going to buy bundles of chargers. So you can make a 6-piece bundle, a 4-piece bundle, a 2-piece bundle. You can even sell them individually. No matter what, selling bundles will always get you customers immediately. Now, after you sell the bundle, you may be like, well, what's next, right? So what's next could be you going into a lower, but also something that is for convenience, like a MagSafe charger. Going into one of these levels where you're selling something like a MagSafe charger, which will in return get the customer a little bit more riled up, or get the customers that are like, oh my God, I just got a new phone, I got a MagSafe case, I don't even know what to do with it, but oh, you're telling me if I pay you $14, you'll give me this charger, which keeps my phone alive, plus I'll be able to use that case I spent $50 for it in AT&T. Great, I'm sold. Like, you're looking for those people. And then after you sell these type of products, right, the products that people don't need but people actually feel obligated to get from impulse because they invested in that phone, right, then you want to go into a product like this, like a clone product. So these are going to be still low ticket. This is $13 and this is $26. Now, when you go to Wesply.com, because I do get this question a lot, oh, I go to the website and in the AirPod clones say $75. Yes, because you only chose quantity of 1. You got to choose quantity of 4, 6, or 12 for you to get the discount. It's wholesale, okay? But these are products that are actually the ones that you want to sell, because these are going to start to scale your business after you got the reviews from the low ticket products. So remember, those low ticket products are going to get you reviews. They're going to get people that are going to say, oh yes, these chargers, they work really, really well. They charge my phone great, fast shipping, right? And then you got these, which are going to get good reviews. Oh yes, these came fast and they charge my phone great. And then you can go ahead with your clones and now start selling these right here, the ones that you get for $13, sell them for $60. And then you can get the maxes, and you can sell those maxes anywhere between $60 to $90. You're able to grow your store conveniently, fast, but also you have a method to your madness, and you let the product do the promoting for you, not you, not your time, and you're still able to work and focus on your regular life schedule. So next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a insight onto what I tell my students. Now, if you don't know, I have a whole product reselling academy that I just started. As a 4-week academy. It's 4 classes, 4 weeks, and you're getting mentored by me for 4 weeks, literally, and we are building you into a product reselling machine. Now, I love this because I'm able to interact with you. I'm able to understand you, understand your why, understand exactly what you want out of this, understand your foundation, and we can build. I'm able to gain some insight on different opportunities you have, but also hurdles that you have to get over. And this is awesome because as phone flippers or even product resellers, we have a bunch of things that are in our way, but we also have a lot of things that we can actually build off of, including products and being able to source them, especially at wesply.com. But again, this academy is linked below. You guys can get access to it now. And again, I'm going to share with you guys the workflow that I give my students. And this is like a standard workflow, but we put this in some type, form, or fashion into your schedule, and then it helps people 10x their businesses easy within a 1-week turnaround frame. So first, on Sundays, we batch items. So 5 to 10 items we are looking to start to list and batch post. What we want to do is make sure that we are always in the algorithm. Sundays are one of the most busiest days when it comes to e-commerce sales because people are off, they just came home from church and they're looking to spend some money. So Sundays, we definitely make sure we are utilizing this day to get ready, to get focused, and to build our listing. So next, Mondays. So Mondays are usually our shipping days because Mondays are slow. People are really slow to get up. So we know that it's not going to be long lines in the post office. So we usually ship on Mondays when it comes to people that are working on their regular 9-to-5 jobs. They want to actually be able to get in and out, right? So we choose Monday. Now again, it would differ for you if you have a different schedule, yes, but you want to choose one day where you ship. You don't need to ship every day. And then next we have the work day. Now the work day, regular typical work day, where whenever you work, you want to just be checking your phone periodically, looking at those listings that you post on Sunday and trying to see exactly what type of insight you're getting from customers. Are people liking? Are people viewing? Are people watching? What type of feedback are you getting? Monitoring this closely allows you to understand if you're doing the right thing or maybe you need to tweak a few things. And then next we tweak. Okay, so usually on the evening times we check and we try to revise, right? We revise the listings and then we try and make sure whether it's pricing or shipping that is changed. Now we revise around 3 to 5 times because we want to really try and maximize each post, and understanding what type of interactions they're getting is imperative. So again, guys, these are really big tips that we utilize to continue to build, especially when we are busy and have a work week ahead of us. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you guys want to learn more, definitely go ahead and join the Product Reselling Academy, our 4-week boot camp, I call it, where we will help you develop a system, build profit, and also get products for you to be able to start reselling and jump out fast ahead of all of your competition. Peace.